Gaelic uses the possessives mo, tho, a, my, your, his, her in situations where you might not expect it, especially before a verbal noun. Avelu gamachloinchin, can you hear me? Where we're saying at my hearing, gamachloinchin, rather than hearing me. Another unusual use of possessives and a verbal noun is in passive sentences with the verb rach, to go. We say Chaidh na hofishin a hokal, to say the offices got built. But to say they got built, where the subject is a pronoun, then Gaelic uses not iat, but the possessive an, their, Chaidh an tokal. They're building, they got built. Chaidh an tokal. Tokal, of course, also means bringing up, raising a family. So the children were brought up in the Highlands is Chaidh a chlann a hokal Ghàidhealtachd. But to say I was brought up, we use not the pronoun me, but the possessive mo. Chaidh mo hokal Ghàidhealtachd, I was brought up in the Highlands.